Online shopping has revolutionized the way we buy products, offering unprecedented convenience, a wider range of choices, and competitive prices. However, the abundance of options and deals can sometimes feel overwhelming. To ensure you make the most of your online shopping experience, it's essential to shop strategically and safely. In this video, we shall discuss in detail to becoming a savvy online shopper. Let's get started. The art of online shopping, expert tips and tricks for smart buyers. Welcome to a mode where life meets style. If you're looking for a place to unwind, learn, and grow, hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. 1. Research before you buy. Read reviews. Customer reviews and ratings offer valuable insights about product quality and reliability. Take the time to read both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced understanding of the product. Look for reviews with photos or videos to get a closer look at how the product appears in real life. Understand the product by carefully reading product descriptions to understand what you're buying. Pay attention to details such as dimensions, materials, features, and compatibility to avoid purchasing something that doesn't meet your needs. Use price comparison websites and apps to ensure you're getting the best deal. Don't forget to factor in shipping costs and taxes when comparing prices across different platforms. 2. Optimize your shopping timing. Plan your purchases around major sale events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and end-of-season clearances. These events often feature significant discounts on popular items. Many online retailers host flash sales with deep discounts for a limited time. Sign up for notifications or newsletters from your favorite stores to stay informed about these deals. Studies suggest that certain days of the week, such as Tuesdays or Wednesdays, may offer better deals as retailers aim to boost midweek sales. Take advantage of these trends to save money. 3. Use discount codes and cashback offers. Before completing your purchase, search online for promo codes that could reduce your total cost. Many websites compile active discount codes for various retailers. Leverage cashback platforms like PayPal Rewards to earn back a percentage of your spending. These apps often have partnerships with major retailers, making it easy to accumulate savings over time. Many online retailers offer loyalty programs that reward repeat customers. These programs often provide points, discounts, or early access to sales, making them worth joining if you frequently shop at a particular store. 4. Leverage technology to your advantage. Many tools allow you to track price histories and set alerts for when prices drop. This ensures you're purchasing items at the best possible price. Install browser extensions to automatically find and apply discounts during checkout. These tools can also suggest alternative retailers offering better prices. Use the wishlist feature on shopping platforms to save items you're interested in. Enable notifications for price changes or restocks to stay updated without constantly checking back. 5. Shop securely. Always shop on reputable websites. Ensure the URL starts with HTTPS and look for a padlock icon in the address bar, indicating a secure connection. When making transactions, use a secure and private internet connection to protect your personal and financial information from potential hackers. Opt for credit cards or virtual wallets like PayPal, which offer additional fraud protection. Many credit card providers also have dispute resolution options for unauthorized charges. 6. Be strategic with returns and shipping. Before purchasing, familiarize yourself with the retailer's return policy, including the return window, restocking fees, and whether they offer free return shipping. Look for stores that offer free shipping, especially for orders above a certain threshold. If free shipping isn't available, try consolidating your purchases to minimize shipping costs. For urgent purchases, compare the cost and delivery times of expedited shipping options. Sometimes, subscription services like Amazon Prime can provide faster delivery at a lower cost. 7. Stay updated and engaged. Join mailing lists for your favorite retailers to receive exclusive discounts, promotional offers, and early access to sales. This is especially useful for snagging deals on high-demand products. Many retailers post flash deals, giveaways, and special promotions on their social media accounts. Follow them to stay in the loop and capitalize on limited-time offers. Writing reviews for products you bought not only helps other shoppers, but can also earn you discounts, loyalty points, or future benefits from certain retailers. 8. Avoid impulse buys. Create a list of what you need before shopping online, and stick to it. This helps you stay focused and avoid adding unnecessary items to your cart. If you're unsure about a purchase, leave the item in your cart for a few hours or even a day. This gives you time to reconsider whether you truly need or want it. Some retailers send promotional codes or discounts to customers who leave items in their cart without checking out. Use this tactic to your advantage. 9. Explore international shopping. Platforms like AliExpress offers a wide range of international products, often at competitive prices. They can be great for finding unique items or hard-to-get products. Use online currency converters to understand the exact cost of items in your local currency. Be aware of exchange rate fluctuations and any additional fees your bank might charge for international transactions. When shopping from international retailers, consider potential customs duties or import taxes that may be added to your purchase. Factor these costs into your budget to avoid surprises. 10. Maintain a budget and track spending. Set limits by deciding on a budget for your shopping session and stick to it. Use budgeting tools like Mint to monitor your spending habits. These apps can help you stay within your financial goals while shopping online. Avoid shopping when you're stressed, bored, or feeling impulsive. Emotional purchases often lead to regret and unnecessary spending on items you don't need. To sum up, online shopping, when done thoughtfully, can save you time and money while giving you access to a world of products. With these expert tips and tricks, you can shop smarter, avoid pitfalls, and enjoy a seamless experience every time you click Add to Cart. So ladies, have we missed out on any point? If so, we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for more discussions.